Hello everyone! Welcome to Wealthy Wisdom channel. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about the 7 strategies to expand your income. Most people would love to make more money, but for many of us, increasing our income seems like a pipe dream. We may not have the education or experience to get a better paying job, and we may not have the time or resources to start our own business. However, there are several strategies we can all use to start generating additional income. In this video, Wealthy Wisdom will teach you 7 powerful strategies to expand your income. Whether you're looking to make more money in your current job or start a new business, these tips will get you there. So please sit back, relax, and let us know you how it's done. First, get the second job. There are a lot of ways that you can go about expanding your income. However, one of the most reliable methods is to get a second job. While this may seem like a daunting task, there are a few things that you can do to make the process easier. First, try to find a job that is in a related field to your current one. This will help you to use the skills that you already have and make the transition smoother. Additionally, try to find a position that offers flexible hours or even the option to work from home. This will allow you to juggle your 2 jobs more efficiently and free up some time for other activities. Finally, communicate with your boss and let them know about your plans. They may be able to work with you to accommodate your new schedule. By following these steps, you can successfully expand your income by taking on a second job. Second, use your hobbies. These are many ways to bring in extra money, but not all are created equal. One of the best ways to earn extra cash is by using your hobbies. Here are a few ideas to get you started. One great way to make money from your hobbies is to sell the things you make. For example, if you enjoy knitting, you could start a small business marketing your handmade sweaters and scarves. The same goes for woodworking, jewelry making, and any other hobby that results in a physical product. You can sell your items online, at local craft fairs, or even door to door. If you enjoy photography, you could start a small business offering portrait or event photography services. Or, if you are an avid baker, you can sell your homemade goods at local markets or fair. By turning your hobby into a source of income, you can help ease your financial burden and achieve greater financial security. So, next time you look for ways to expand your payment, be sure to consider your hobbies as a potential source of revenue. Third, invest yourself and learn new skills. One of the most effective strategies to expand your income is investing in yourself and learning new skills. You will be better positioned to earn more money by acquiring new knowledge and abilities. Additionally, learning new skills can help you become more efficient and productive, leading to raises and promotions. Another strategy for expanding your income is to look for ways to increase your productivity. This may include automating tasks, streamlining your workflow, or finding new ways to efficiently complete tasks. By becoming more efficient and productive, you can free up more time to pursue higher paying opportunities. Finally, another strategy for expanding your income is investing in assets and generate passive income. This can include investing in real estate, stocks, and bonds. Investing in assets that will generate passive income enables you to earn money even if you are not actively working. These are just a few of the many strategies that you can use to expand your income. By implementing these strategies, you will be well on earning more money. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Fourth, negotiating your salary is a great way to expand your income. Here are a few tips on how to do it. Number 1. Do your research. Knowing the average salary for your position and region will help establish a fair starting point. Number 2. Be prepared to explain your value. When you go into a negotiation, be ready to highlight your accomplishments and why you deserve a higher salary. Number 3. Don't be afraid to ask for what you want. Often, employers will be open to negotiation if they see that you're confident in your abilities. And number 4. Be willing to walk away. If the employer isn't budging, be prepared to walk away from the negotiation. This will show them that you're serious about getting what you deserve. Following these tips can successfully negotiate your salary and expand your income. Fifth, ask for a raise. One great way to earn more money is by simply asking for a raise. If you feel underpaid or are not making what you deserve, have a conversation with your boss. During this conversation, be prepared to present your case with specific examples of your accomplishments and how they have benefited the company. It is also essential to be aware of the company's financial situation and time your request accordingly. For instance, if the company has recently had layoffs or been struck by the recession, it is probably not the best time to ask for a raise. On the other hand, if the business is booming and you've been consistently meeting or exceeding your goals, you may have a better chance of success. Ultimately, whether or not you receive a raise will depend on various factors, but it is always worth asking for one if you feel that you deserve it. Sixth, get a certification. It's no secret that many people struggle to meet in today's economy. If you're one of those people, you may be looking for ways to expand your income. One strategy you may want to consider is getting certified in your field. By obtaining additional certifications, you can show potential employers that you're a well-qualified candidate and serious about your career. In addition, pursuing new certifications can help you earn a raise or a promotion if you're already employed. So, if you're looking for ways to increase your income, don't underestimate the power of a certificate. It could be just what you need to take your career to the next level. Lastly, set financial goals and work towards them. Anyone who has ever changed their finances knows it is important to set financial goals. By setting realistic goals and working towards them, you can assure that your income grows over time. However, many people find it challenging to stick to their financial goals. They may be tempted to spend their money on unnecessary things or take on more debt than they can afford. This is where a financial planner can be helpful. A financial planner can help you set realistic goals and develop a plan to reach them. They can also provide guidance and support if you feel like you are falling behind. If you are serious about expanding your income, setting financial goals and working towards them is a great strategy. Expanding your income can be a challenge, but it's not impossible. These 7 strategies will help set you in the right direction. Have you tried any of these methods? If so, What was your experience? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and goodbye.